What do you do? It's your boy Bright. Going to a car show. Going by myself because none of my boys either busy or don't want to go. I just got a text. I don't know who that's from, but I'm low-key scared to go, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't really go places by myself because 1, I don't trust people. 2, people is weird. 3, I don't trust people. You never know what can happen, you know what I'm saying? You can't get jumped if you're with people, you know what I'm saying? 1 guy can't jump 3, so I don't like going places alone. And I low-key be scared, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to get out my comfort zone, working on myself, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do better, so we're gonna go, we're gonna enjoy life. We're gonna see what takes me, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we see good shit, fun shit, you know? See, I was going to drive here, bro. Let's look at my mom said this shit's packed. I was gonna drive here and be stuck in traffic for the longest. Let's take a car right here, hard as fuck. I love my car just as much as I love women. I'm not gonna lie. It's about equal. Who's popping? That's what I want to see. Oh, it's him. What is that? That's a Corvette? It is. Oh, that's a big car. Is that a nigga who has that 70s going right? This shit is hard. I need a car from y'all stay in Palm Beach, let me know. I need a car from I just spent my whole day just looking at cars. I feel like I'm shopping. I heard when I shop with cars.
Y'all see walk one?
This shit is low. My mom would hate this car. Shit, I want. I've never seen a track car in person. This shit look short, unless he lowered it. This shit hard, though, I'm not gonna lie. My beamer gonna smoke this in the future. Mark my words. Beamer gonna smoke this in the future. Beautiful ass cars. What do these niggas do for a living? Are you drug dealers? Like, what? I don't never see these cars in Palm Beach. I don't know what niggas do for a living. I wanna ask niggas who owns after what you do. What the fuck am I doing wrong at 25? I'm going to fuck them. I don't want no niggas saying just sitting here looking at these cars and shit. I'm just looking at all these people, some successful, some not. It's like, this shit is hard, bro. I love looking at life and just living life and shit. I know one day I'll be one of you guys with this crazy ass car. Somebody this shit is stars. Go out every day and do more shit. But, no matter how insecure I am, fuck it. This car is so beautiful. I love my colors, bro.
Just keep walking, like if you're looking.
I've never seen this before.
And I was gonna say if you record this way, so you could just be on the outside. So
Inside this car, shit, he comfy as fuck in another man's car.
okay, so when you got like an angle like this, like here, alright. Okay, you can do like a quick like this or something. Correct to what to talk about.